This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view your saved jobs on the LinkedIn app. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the LinkedIn app. To find your saved jobs, you want to go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on the jobs icon. Then at the very top, the tabs that go across up here, you want to tap on Job Tracker. And now as you can see in the upper left hand corner, it says Saved. You could tap that drop down. You could view your saved jobs, your in progress jobs, your applied jobs, interviews that you have, or your archived jobs. But I'm going to leave it on saved, and I don't have any saved jobs here. I haven't saved any jobs on LinkedIn for a long time, so it says there's no jobs here, but that would be my saved jobs. But that is how to find your saved jobs on the LinkedIn app. Thanks for watching.